Hello, paint pouring community. I did put the video up recently. Oh, that's still wet. Okay, don't try your finger in it. I just love the colours on the blue side, more side than the yellow swipe. So I'm just trying just this 30 by 30 centimetre canvas to try and recreate some of this look of more so the blues in there. So I will video it, as every time I do a video I'm asked, did you video it? And obviously I do heaps of art each day, or most days, so I don't videotape anything. This is just another little one. This was a flip cup pour, so you'll have to let me know on my Facebook art page if you'd like me to do another video of my little flip cup pours. So I will carry on and get on with it. I've been mixing my own paints over the weekend, colours, making up my own colours. So if you're actually interested and you would like me to do a video of my making up my own custom paint colours, just join my Facebook page so you can let me know if that's what you'd like. I just find it too hard to keep track, putting my videos up on YouTube and keeping up with trying to answer everybody's questions on my Facebook page. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me the thumbs up, not thumbs down, just to give me a bit of encouragement to help you out if you don't like what I'm putting on there, and obviously just move on. But yeah, I'm just thinking of doing a video of making some custom colours up, so to show you guys how I do it. So I've got some turquoise, got this, this is pearl white with warm blue, but oh, it's just a beautiful, made a beautiful colour. Okay, this is turquoise again, and this is with white. So this is just my homemade navy that I think I'm going to use to do a swipe with. And this is metallic copper, and I've added some pearl white so it's not so strong. And then this is my pearl white, and I've just added ordinary white with it. These particular paints today are all global paints, Australian made, with my pouring medium. I will get you my card, I'll put my card up to show you my pouring medium. Okay, I'm going to get started, and I'm going to use, which I just made this up, thought, oh, that is so nice. So I'm going to do my normal style because this is what works for me, and every time turns out different, creates a whole little life all of its own. So as you can see, that's just a gorgeous colour. Pop that one back. I'm going to use the turquoise. So I am going to swipe this from the top, but I do not leave a thick band of the colour at the top or wherever you're swiping from. I don't like that. I like the colours to come through the band. So I'm not going to, I'm only going to add a bit of this other turquoise with the white added. Well, actually it looks completely different. Maybe I better go back and have a look what I mixed it with. But anyway, I'm gonna, if you're interested, I will do a video of making some custom colours. I will just put a little bit of the copper in there. I just want to thank any of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's very much appreciated, gives me a bit of encouragement to push on with this if somebody's interested. I'm not asking for any money. I don't seek any money from anyone. Obviously, if you subscribe to my channel, it just helps me to know that somebody's actually watching me. If not, it's not really worth it for me, because I just want to know that I'm helping someone. Okay, so that looks absolutely gorgeous, just as it is. But I'm going to, This paint seems a little bit runnier than I would normally do. So there you go. I mixed this up last night, so it is actually, it's very runny, so I don't know what I've done. But again, because I don't measure, I don't get everything, and that's why everything does look different, because I don't do the same every time. And that's just how I like to work. Okay, that looks nice as it is. It's quite nice. Again, and don't worry too much if you haven't got the edges covered. You just finger pop it, as I call it. Just go around with your fingers off the runoff. Oh, those colours are just so nice. So seeing this on a small canvas now really makes me want to do a large canvas. So bear with me, sometime this week I shall be doing a large canvas. It's just difficult for me to do a large canvas and get it in frame, because I haven't got like all the setup for video taping. I'm having a lot of trouble this week with even getting my camera to go the full distance. Apparently the memory's full. I've tried to, this is a navy swipe, I'm just adding a small amount to the top. Just remember, I want the tiny colour to come through. Okay, excited about this one because those colours, super duper, super duper. So, I mean, living in Queensland, Australia, I mean, I'm a fair way from the Barrier Reef, but I'm on the Queensland coast, so this just reminds me of the gorgeous colour blue seas that we get. So, again, my trusty flimsy plastic file divider, fantastic tool for swiping. And I just let about the first centimetre of your divider drop in the paint and just draw it back to you nice and slowly. Oh, I can see already the colours are going to be very, very nice. Okay. Don't stress if you miss bits, because they'll sort themselves out. Just be relaxed. Enjoy what you're doing. Therapy. My therapy anyway. Love it. But okay, just pop my file divider in for a wash. I'm really hoping you can all hear this. I'm doing this video on my iPhone because I've got no memory left on my camera, and I have to wait for my son to come up and help me sort it out, what I've got to do. I have no idea. So daughter-in-law's been helping me, showing me how to make the movie better, the video, but you have to please bear with me. Sometime I should get this down pat, but I'm just an amateur. Okay, I'm going to do my normal, which is with the butane torch, just touching. And obviously I want to start where the paint's the thickest, is where I've done the swipe. So what you see now, especially because this paint is a lot thinner today, this will move overnight. The cells will grow and they go into each other, which creates a whole life of its own. As I've said before, can create like butterfly looks or all sorts of whimsical looks. So it's quite nice. I don't want to really torch anymore. That's absolutely perfect. As you see it now, it's just popping up these gorgeous cells, which like sapphires. I'll try and get a close up for you. So normally I would just leave this now if I didn't want to embellish it with anything, which I think I should never say never. Okay, can you see those gorgeous cells come up? They're really pretty. This was, like I said, it's a thinner mix, but seemed to work gorgeous. I'm not sure whether I'll embellish it with a balloon. But if so, I will certainly post photos of it. But embellishing it with the balloon, I've got plenty of videos with the balloon embellishment, so you could get it to this point and decide you want to embellish it, and that's all good. But that is so pretty. Like, I'm looking at it, the real, and looking at it in my camera, and the colours are more vibrant than the pictures shown in the video. Anyway, I really hope that helps some of you, and if you would like me to do a flip cup pour or any other type of pour, please go to my Gilly Kube acrylic art on Facebook and ask me the question there, because I'm more than likely to be able to answer you. But I've got loads of people asking questions, so find it a little hard to always keep up, and because Facebook seem to distinguish who they're going to comments they're going to let me see. Okay, thank you very much for watching.